Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use weather machine in Roblox Fish It to get the weather you need for fishing. First, just open Roblox and enter your game, and then head over to weather machine island using your boat or any other vehicles that you have, like this. Just go over to weather machines. And when you arrive, just tap on the power on. And then you will see several weather options like this. And then just choose the weather that you want depending on your fishing or route. In here you can only choose 3 weather, so just choose the best for you, 3 best for you. This machine is especially useful if you want to buff your route with certain enhancements, and then just enjoy your boosted fishing sessions.